Now in this lecture, we will learn pipe and filter architecture. First of all, what is filter? A filter is an independent data stream transformer or stream transducers. There are two types of filter, active filter and passive filter. What is active filter? Active filter lets connected pipes to pull data in and push out the transformed data. It operates with passive pipe which provides read-write mechanisms for pulling and pushing. This mode is used in UNIX pipe and filter mechanism. What is passive filter? Passive filter lets connected pipes to push data in and pull data out. It operates with active pipe which pulls data from a filter and pushes data into the next filter. It must provide read-write mechanism. What is pipe? Pipes are stateless and they carry binary or character stream which exist between two filters. It can move a data stream from one filter to another. Pipe use a little contextual information and retain no state information between instantiations.